I'm gonna show you guys my Chicken-Pot-Paillard today. We've already cooked up 2 Chicken-Paillard over here, and I've got 2 more still working in the pan. Down here, we're gonna get our store-bought puff pastry. Follow the directions on the back. You're gonna defrost it in the fridge for 2 hours from the freezer before you're going to use it. You roll it out gently. You don't need to roll it very far. I cut little hearts in the center, or you can use the little round cookie cutters, or you can just make a little pattern to give it vents. Turn the oven to 375. Cut your pastry into 4 pretty squares. So we're just gonna paint over this with our egg wash and then throw it in the oven. To our melted butter, we're gonna add a couple of carrots, some thinly sliced celery, an onion, some thyme, fresh or dried, and I put garlic in everything. I'm gonna season this with a little salt and pepper. So I'm just adding the flour to our vegetables and thyme, salt and pepper that we've sweat out with 2 cloves of garlic. And then I kind of make a little well in the middle of our vegetables. And then I'm gonna add a splash of white wine first. And then we're gonna add our chicken stock for our light chicken gravy. And our roux will thicken that up. And at this point, I'm gonna throw in a handful of peas. Fresh pea season, of course, is sadly over, so I'm gonna throw in a handful of frozen. Now we're gonna stir in our tarragon last second. Turn the stove off, and our secret ingredient, a little Dijon. Let's take a big old Paillard, AKA pounded out chicken breast. Vegetable Dijon, white wine gravy on top with the peas and the carrots. I know. That is glorious. Then we take our beautiful puff pastry with the little heart cut out. Sprinkle it all with chives. And there, Blue Plate Special.